September, also known as Mandulo in isiZulu. That's the first month of the year, the beginning of the year. I know that according to the Gregorian calendar, January is the first month, but if we were to follow the solar calendar, which is predominantly what our ancestors used, then this is officially the first month of the year. A lot of people get confused as to then what does that mean for you? Think about it. What do you do at the beginning of the year? You set goals, you set resolutions. So this is the perfect time to actually set those goals and make those resolutions, because you know what? This goes according to your natural clock. This does not go against you. So the chances of you actually keeping all those plans and goals is more. So around this time, I like to do my spring cleaning. That's what everybody normally does. And the reason behind that is because your body naturally wakes up in spring. It wakes up from a time of deep hibernation, because during the winter we generally feel cold, we don't want to do anything. So that's the time when we actually hibernate and we keep to ourselves. And during the spring, this is when you clear out everything. This is the time that you can actually make plans and they can actually manifest, because you are not working against yourself. So the new year is actually on the 23rd of September. That's when our people say that it is the return of the sun, because that's when officially that's the first day of the year. That's when the sun returns from the northern hemisphere. So during that time, people used to celebrate New Year. But because we live in a society that has been a lot has been taken away from us, we have forgotten all those things. So this is a very powerful time to actually get back to yourself. This is a powerful time to actually make those manifestations, and this is a time when you can keep up with everything that you want to keep up with. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's also a shadow period leading up to the new year. The shadow period is usually from the 20th till the 22nd. That's when you actually do feel the energy of the season coming in. So around this time, something of significance usually happens. That's when there's a handing over of a new season to the other season. So you may have a rainfall, you may have something. Usually you don't take notice of it because it is so minor, but it actually happens. So during the shadow period, you will start to feel more awakened. And if you use this time to make your dreams a reality, by this time next year, you would have accomplished so much more. There's also another thing that happens around the season. Since everything is being cleared out, a lot of you are going to go through breakups. A lot of you, because you were with people you had no business being with. But because you didn't want to be alone during the winter months, you ended up being in a situation that was not beneficial to you at all. So those people are going to leave you. But don't look at this as a negative thing. You should rather look at it as a positive thing, because who would want to go into the new year with old problems? Definitely not me. And I know for a fact that's not what you want. So Umandulu means the beginning. It means to build, to actually start, so use this time to plant new seeds physically, emotionally, and spiritually. And another thing, if you follow the months of the year in your vernacular language, you would realize that each month tells you exactly what to do. Each month says something. And If we can go back to actually remembering those things, then you would know exactly what to do and you wouldn't fall into the trap. And this is also another way of getting to know yourself and remembering who you are. So, Happy New Year in advance and enjoy the month of Mandulo, which is actually the first month of the year.